how do birds and monkeys make life and death decisions with every leap they take? Their ability to leap from one branch to another without faltering or falling seems magical, but it is the result of deep instinct, self awareness, memory. For these animals, one wrong decision could be fatal, yet they navigate their world with an accuracy that leaves us in surprise. But what exactly allows them to make such precise decisions? And how human can draw lessons from their confidence and trust in their environment? This is a fascinating look into how self confidence, instincts, and calculated risk taking not only serve birds and monkeys but also related to our own human experiences. Let us understand how people can learn to trust their judgment more effectively in the branches of life. When a bird lands on a branch, its body instantly calculates weight distribution, the branch's strength, and even wind conditions. For monkeys, the dynamics are slightly different but no less impressive. They can quickly assess the flexibility, angle, and load bearing potential of branches before taking a leap. These quick calculations are done through instinct developed over generations, which has evolved to prevent fatal errors. For animals, confidence comes from a mix of genetics, memory, and learn from experiences. Birds don't hesitate to land on a branch because their instincts tell them it is safe. Humans, on the other hand, often struggle with trusting their instincts. Imagine someone facing an important decision, second guessing themselves, fearing a branch might not hold their weight. The lesson here is that just like birds and monkeys, we can develop our self confidence through repeated experiences and by trusting the lessons life teaches. Confidence is not about always being right, it is about knowing when to act. Just like monkeys calculating next jump, one wrong step could be costly, but with confidence and careful assessment, we can succeed. Birds, monkeys, and other animals have mastered the art of self confidence and trust in their environment. These skills allow them to move through life with agility and precision, avoiding danger and thriving in their habitats. Humans too can learn from these creatures, building our self confidence by trusting our instincts, learning from our experiences, and understanding risks we face in life. Practice makes perfect. The more you face challenges, the better you will be at assessing risks, just like the birds and monkeys. Learn to trust your intuition and understand that mistakes are part of growth. Start with small steps to build your confidence, and over time, you will be able to tackle bigger risks with easy. So, picture this: you are watching a monkey swing through the trees or a bird land on a branch, and they never seem to hesitate, right? They just know which branch will hold them. How do they do that? Exactly, all about instinct and trust. For birds and monkeys, this is not guesswork. They have learned to trust their surroundings and their own abilities. Their survival depends on it. They make split second decisions, and it's amazing how rarely they get it wrong. Yeah, it is not just random, it is learned confidence. They assess the situation in a real time, kind of like how we, as humans, need to assess our own situations in life. So, next time you see a bird land on a branch or a monkey leap through the trees, remember they are not just lucky, they have mastered the art of confidence and risk taking, just like we can. And if we apply that same level of trust in our life and ourselves, we can navigate life's challenges just as gracefully. Repetition plays a key role in their accuracy. Through continuous practice, birds and monkeys develop that helps them understand how their bodies interact with the environment. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos to watch.